What's up guys, it's Caleb over at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. Today we're going to be talking about the 2022 Street Glide Standard. This one happens to be in vivid black on the chrome trim. Street Glide Standard comes with your 107 Milwaukee 8, give you plenty of power around town and plenty of passing speed out on the highway. It also comes with things like your big radio this year with navigation, Bluetooth radio. The Street Glide Standard comes with your big 6-gallon fuel tank, gives you plenty of range as far as how far you can go between fill-ups. The Street Glide Standard comes with your 2-up seat as well as your passenger pegs already from the factory. Great thing about the Street Glide Standard is that they're super customizable. You can throw new exhausts, new bars, different seat, all kinds of stuff on it, make it your own. They have oscillating floorboards, which help reduce vibrations in your legs, just makes for a lot more comfortable ride. They also come with ABS, so it's a great safety system when you're out on wet roads or need to stop in an emergency. The Street Glide Standard comes with easy one-touch open bags, so plenty of storage space, super easy to access. They also lock as well to keep all your valuables safe. Also, Orlando Harley puts on your quick connect hardware on the back for a sissy bar or some kind of luggage compartment, which is great. So these standards also come with cruise control, so once you're out on the highway, you can just set your speed, forget about it, and just cruise. All right, guys, again, I'm Caleb at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. This was the 2022 Street Glide Standard. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and come see me take it for a test ride.